Recording started. Okay. It is the 25th of September, 2022. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Your turn or mine, Lauren?
Oh, it's my turn. Yeah, WIKISPEED Standup, September 25th, 2022. So go ahead, Michael.
Okay, it is Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This week I posted the stand-up for last week, which is the first one I've done in a while. I did not get any progress on pretty much anything. I was set up to do some stuff, but I got preempted on Saturday night, so it didn't get done. For this coming week, I am still hoping to reinstall Ross onto the Sunfounder, and I am with the tank level project. I've tested out the relay. I need to get it wired in so that I can turn off the LiDAR while it's in sleep mode and see how much power that takes and how long the battery works. Blocks still hurting from tennis elbow, which is unfortunate. And my part-time job is more like a full-time job in the last little while, so I don't have a whole lot of time to spend on WIKISPEED. Back to you, Lauren.
Okay, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, I just a little bit done, but I reached out to Joe about something. I'll talk in crosstalk offline, and William. And so coming week, I'm going to talk to some of the others like Carol, just touch base with them and find out. And I proposed to them that we chat on Signal. Both of them are on Signal. Just to find out what they're thinking, and also some housekeeping stuff with Joe that I'll talk about in crosstalk. Also, I am very interested in. I'm going to get. I need some work on my cistern system anyway, so I'll get someone to take the lid off, and I'll install the thing. And also, those are people. One of them is the person I want to pitch the level sensor to. So I'll do that. It's people who are working on stuff like that. And maybe I'll go to the hardware stores. Yeah, so once I get it installed there and working, and I can demonstrate it on the phone, I'll take it over to the two hardware stores that sell cisterns. And talked also to the water delivery. There's two water delivery people here now. They were so busy this summer that an upstart came from the mainland. Blocks. Let's see. I'm going to say no new or unusual blocks, and that's it for me.
Okay. For retro, I've got 1 out of 3 points for my weekly. I made it to stand up, so I'm going to go with 4 out of 10. How about 7 for the team? Because you got a hold of a couple people you were looking for, so yeah. And process improvement, I think outreach is what we got to stick with until we get more people on the call. That's it for me.
Yeah, I'm also a 4, and I agree with 7 for the team. And I agree with outreach.
All right, that pretty much wraps it up. You want to stay recording, or you want to go offline for?
Let's go offline.
Okay. One moment.